Okay everyone, happy Monday. It's actually Monday night. We just got back not too long ago from Austin for my sister's wedding, which was last week's vlog. But right now, I'm preparing Taylor and Brandon's graduation gifts because they graduate this semester. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got them. So for Brandon, we got this Jose Cuervo, and we also got him a margarita mix to go with it. And I also got them these like frozen, they're like alcoholic pineapples. And then I have some liquid IVs, and like y'all see, like I have like confetti and it's like purple and gold, yeah. And then I got these shot cups, and then I have this picture of us framed. This is class of 2022, and then some garland. And then for Taylor, hers basically has the same thing. It's just different alcohol. I got her Absolute Vodka, this like coconut something mix. Then I got her also the frozen pineapples, liquid IVs, shot cups, confetti, same picture frame because it's a picture of all three of us. And then the garland. And then I'm also going to add, I'm gonna add this on the outside with some cellophane, but I'll show y'all that once I finish it. Okay guys, and this is the outside of the gift baskets. This one's for Taylor and this one's for Brandon. They're all done. Good morning everyone, happy Tuesday. So we just made it into Louisiana. We're heading back to Baton Rouge to move my crap out of my apartment. But yeah, so we have probably like another hour and 45 minutes to go before we get back to Baton Rouge. But I just want to come to the vlog and say good morning. Ignore my pimple. Alright y'all, so it's literally 7:30, 7:40 at night. We just finished moving me out. I checked out of my apartment. My lease is over. Now we're heading to walk-ons to eat before driving back to Houston. Y'all, tired ain't the word. What's the word for it, Zoe? Exhausted. Like it's been back to back non-stop for like at least a week straight for us. So but yeah, now we're gonna get some food from walk-ons. This is Zoe's hickory smoked barbecue, and I got my usual, y'all, the buffalo chicken sandwich. It's never failed me. Good morning everyone, happy Wednesday. I'm losing track of my days. But we're at Gringo's right now with my dad and Zoe. And we're about to go get us something to eat. It's actually like 3 o'clock. We got up super late, y'all. We didn't wind up making it back home from driving back from Baton Rouge until 2:30 in the morning. So we definitely slept in because we're exhausted. Like we've been doing back-to-back traveling between the wedding, moving me out, coming back home. It's been a lot. But now we're all back at home. And I'm gonna give me some beef fajita nachos, y'all. All right, y'all, these are my beef fajita nachos. Good morning, everyone. Happy, what's today? Thursday? Wednesday? Thursday. Thursday. Happy Thursday, everyone. So Zoe and I are about to go to my pizza to get some lunch. And yeah, we just kind of chilling. Like, we're both back home for summer vacation, so like we just trying to chill this week. Like we can really get into, you know, running the streets how we used to in our other vlogs later in the summer, but right now we're just chilling. So now we're gonna go ahead into my pizza and get us some lunch. But happy Thursday, everybody. So now we're out again, about to head into the grocery store because we have to pick up some things for dinner. I think my dad said he's making burgers, and then we have to get some of my mom's sparkling water because she only drinks a certain brand. So we're at Kroger to get the stuff. I'm with Zoe. She probably don't want to be on camera right now, you know. She's having a fit again. Okay, bye.
Hey, y'all, I swear I wasn't throwing a hissy fit.
She was throwing a hissy fit. I just caught her when she was throwing her hissy fit. So, did you want to get the frozen stuff first and then go get everything else that's already on the side of the store?
What we need to get this frozen?
Daddy said tater tots. You wanted your ice cream too, huh?
Curly fries.
Well, yeah, I think it just went like fries in general. Where's their potato? Oh, it's down there. I don't like Kroger. I'm an H-E-B kind of girl. Good morning, everyone. I have my personal chef making breakfast tacos. Want to say anything, chef? But yeah, good morning, everyone. So my dad's making us breakfast tacos. Today Taylor graduates, 12:30.
You come on to one up.
Woo, I'm not, you're the chef. I'm the client.
You shoot shit.
I'm the client. I'm the client. do the cooking. Excuse me? Hello everyone. I already opened up today's vlog, but Zoe just got out of Target because we're just trying to see like if they had anything that we wanted. We're looking for some things to kind of organize our rooms at home because we got a lot of shit, but we couldn't really find anything. So now I think we're gonna go to Crumble and get the what is it, the key lime cookie or like lime cookie or whatever to try out. And we're trying to decide if we want to go to Chick-fil-A or Jersey Mike's because I could really eat either or honestly because they both be good. Maybe we should get Jersey Mike's. Maybe we should get Jersey Mike's because we eat Chick-fil-A a lot. Like at school we eat Chick-fil-A a lot and we eat Chick-fil-A a lot. Period.
No one was whipping.
Because what if Dad wants to get Chick-fil-A tonight?
That's that girl.
What girl?
That color guard girl.
Danny?
Her? Yeah. It looks like her.
It does look like her. But we just saw someone that we recognized from high school. But yeah, so now we're about to head over to Crumble, get us some food. Taylor graduates today. I'm actually watching her live stream. I have it paused right now.
Let's get Jersey Mike's.
So yeah.
Oh, but we still do. I still have that pizza at home too.
Yeah, I still
got
have
a lot
pizza
of
at
food
home
at
too. Well, we have pizza and wings. We still have hot wings left, right?
If we do, it's not that many. But it should be enough for a meal.
Because if he eat beefy nachos, he ain't gonna watch out this car. But we also might just eat the food that we have at home as well and save our money.
I'm kind of leaning food at home.
I don't really care what we do. Anyway, it's fine with me. So. Okay, guys, Zoe and I are driving to Chick-fil-A right now. But look at the sun. It's literally red. Oh my god. Is there a name for this? Anyone know if there's a name for why it's like this? But yeah, so we're on the way to Chick-fil-A right now. I feel like every time I've been on this vlog, we on the way to get some type of food. So big. Oh my god, that's so big of us. But our parents are on a date night right now, so we're just at the house. We've just been at the house chilling. We've been watching Desperate Housewives. That's our TV show that we're binge watching right now. And so now we're on the way to get Chick-fil-A for dinner since our parents abandoned us for date night.
Stop at HEB.
What are we stopping at HEB for? Oh, to get gas?
Yeah, gas and ice cream.
I didn't know we were going somewhere. I would have not put this on. I got on. I have on the most ridiculous outfit, y'all. I have on an LSU t-shirt, some like, what are these called? Exercise shorts? Athletic shorts. My Crocs that don't even go with the shirt. Well, it kind of goes because purple goes. And a Kate Spade purse. Like, it's literally such a mixed match outfit.
Be in and out, so.
What are we going there for?
Oh, because I'm craving the Ben and Jerry's mint chocolate cookie.
She know the exact name.
Yay.
She know the exact name, not Piccola. Well, thank God I decided to brush my dang on hair because I wasn't even finna do that. I thought we was just going to Chick-fil-A drive-thru. This girl bamboozled me.
Should I put the whole thing?
Alright, y'all. So, I know y'all really enjoyed my whole wedding behind the scenes, and I'm gonna do more stuff just for my close friends. So, we're gonna make some boozy grapes. So, I'm gonna be soaking these in Prosecco and Chardonnay, I think. Some people have been doing vodka, but I don't think I wanna do that. We're gonna keep it cute and classy. Save the hard liquor for, you know, the trashy. Let me stop. Okay, so step one, we're going to obviously wash your grapes. I'm using seedless green grapes. If you want to eat seeds, I mean, that's your business. Don't know why you would do that, but do you. So, you know, just pluck them off the stem. These are very good. Shout out to HEB, the best, you know, store for anything. Here, everything's better. So, yeah, so I'm just going to pluck off these grapes. We're going to wash them, and then we're going to come back when I'm going to puncture the grapes. Now it's time to cut our grapes. Yes, I did wind up adding in red grapes because I can. I mean, you could do what you want, but I'm just literally just like slicing a little hole in them because we really want these to, you know, soak up all of the alcoholic goodness we're gonna put into it. You know, welcome to, what's the little cooking show? The Food Network, At Home with Michaela. I need a TV show name, Dale. I need a cooking show name. What should it be? What's Michaela's making? So you want to make a guest appearance? I have a guest that's actually appearing on my show, making the boozy grapes. The one and only, my dad. Okay, so while my sous chef opens up our
Your who chef?
sous chef. That's how you say it, right? Opens up our prosecco. I'm gonna be
You can
slicing
call it what the
our cherries.
what's second flight.
I'm only doing 5 cherries because I literally hate cherries. Unless they're candied.
She done called me a sous chef, but yet I own all this everything. This.
I never said you didn't own the house. I just said you're my sous chef.
This is crap.
Okay, then you just pour it in. Cover your grapes in prosecco.
That's
And I'm gonna
champagne,
do
right?
a little bit, huh?
Champagne?
Yeah.
How much
And
grape
then
juice?
we have some Chardonnay. And we're just gonna do a little bit of that.
Prosecco's good stuff, isn't it?
Yep. Okay.
I like the good stuff.
And now we're just going to let this sit overnight, and I'll come back tomorrow when it's done.
Now this
Shout
is-
out to the sponsorship of Barry and Jenny Wilkins for letting me use their bar. And we'll see you next time on What's Michaela Baking. Bye, guys. Say bye, Dad.
Bye.